Hello, my name is Brian Watson. I am the National Corporate Trainer for Viking. I am here at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center, and I'm going to talk to you today about the many offerings of Viking products. The Viking 48-inch side-by-side unit has a 30-inch refrigerator and an 18-inch freezer. The compartment is a metal compartment with 3 shelves, 3 drawers. It has LED lighting up the sides, and in the top, it has spill-proof shelves on every one of our shelves here, which allows you to spill product on the shelf and it doesn't roll off. It has a plasma cluster ion technology that purifies the air as it enters into the refrigerator, keeping this a 99.9% clean box at all times. It also has electronic controls, which allows you many functions and facets of the refrigerator. Some of the unique pieces of this is max refrigerator, max freeze, which allows you to put the refrigerator into a max cold mode, and it will stay in that mode for up to 4 hours to allow you to add fresh groceries or even bring it down to a lower temp if you're going to be entertaining people and they're going to be opening and closing the door during this process. If you would like to play with the controls and see other features of this refrigerator, come on down to Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Studio City. I'm Brian Watson.